If we want to make our environment clean, beautiful, and better, we need to start from us. Ladies and gentlemen, namaskar and welcome. It's me, Mahalaxmi. You are watching the Mahalaxmi Show. During this coronavirus, so many people, they are getting anxiety, stress. They don't know how to pass time, how to utilize their time. But some people, they are doing such a great things. So we are going there and we will talk to them what things inspire them to do such a great things. What you guys are doing here?
We're trying to clean up the lake because it looks dirty. A lot of plastic around.
What things inspire you?
Actually, he was the one who inspired everybody. He's like, look at this
the
lake.
ugly view that we have now is gonna look beautiful. And we have the time to do it now, so this is a good time to do it.
So you guys do always or this is first time?
This is the first time, actually, yeah. And soon we're gonna start having a lot of rain, so the lake's gonna look full and beautiful. So we should have a beautiful lake for a long time now. Give me saying the quality neighborhood. We gotta
How
keep
about
it.
you? You don't want to.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm doing. I wanna keep it clean. I live right there, so I have a view of the whole lake. So if I have a beautiful view, I'm gonna be happy, enjoying the lake. And also I do it for the wildlife, for the animals, for the fish, turtles, and you know. And now that we don't doing anything at home, you know, we just staying home. This is a good thing to do, you know. That way we do something good at the same time we keep busy.
Staying at home, feeling bored is better than do cleaning, right?
Oh yeah, this better to do the cleaning than stay home doing nothing. All right, should be clean. To stop doing it, you know, they know better. They're not little kids, you know. Even though they little kids, they should teach their kids not to throw garbage, you know.
So do you have any message for those people who make dirty?
I think people they don't care sometimes and they just let go of the garbage when they doing jogging around and things like that. Yeah, that we should keep the planet clean for for the future for our children. It's good for the environment, you know. Thank you.
No, I'm just helping clean. I saw them doing it. I just came to take the dog out and I saw them cleaning, so I was like, let me help them.
Where do you live?
I live right there, right across the street. But it's just, yeah, it's a lot of trash. It's just been getting worse and worse. Yeah, keeping it clean, keeping it clean.
I don't know, man. You did.
You guys did the whole lake.
No, but hey, every help counts, man.
That looks good. Yeah, the water going down more and more. You notice more of the trash in the lake.
Okay.
Right. Okay, that's it, right? Póngase en algo. Póngase en algo, coño.
If somebody is doing wrong, they should get punishment. Then if somebody is doing great, they should get rewards also. Thank you very much for watching the Mahalaxmi Show. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing, try to do best and try to be safe. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Wash your hand, stay healthy and happy. Namaskar. Bye-bye.